everyone, I'm Jasper Padeway, and I'm currently an Audit Associate at KPMG Philippines, and I'm from the pioneer batch of K-12 from the University of St. Louis to Tuguegarao. So during my time at the university, I gained so many lessons and experiences. One of which was during our entrepreneurial subject, wherein we were tasked to collaborate and create a product and then advertise it, sell it, and eventually making a profit out of it. So it was a fun project because we get a chance to know what's happening in a business, and it was about figuring out on how to make a business work financially and physically, from budgeting to forecasting. That project really helped me understand the real-world applications of what I was learning. And it was exciting to see how business concepts come to life in practice. The university also pushed me to think differently. I became more analytical, constantly questioning how things work behind the scenes. And personally, it taught me the value of organization and discipline. As someone who had never been so organized, I learned how to manage my time effectively between schoolwork, personal commitments, and extracurricular activities. Because I was also a part of the varsity volleyball team, wherein we represent the school from different competitions like city meet, 𝗧ap, and 𝗧𝗓𝗓. So these skills have become second nature to me, and I still use this in everything I do today. The ABM strand also laid groundwork for what I wanted to do after graduation. The technical knowledge and problem-solving skills I gained helped me transition smoothly into university-level courses. The ABM strand also directly prepared me for my career as an accountant, and it shaped my problem-solving and decision-making abilities, which are very critical in my field as an auditor. The most valuable skills I learned during my time or during senior high school at the ABM strand was actually my financial analysis skills and my ability to work in teams, because these have been incredibly useful in my current role, as I'm often required to analyze reports and collaborate with my colleagues in auditing different companies. And my advice to current ABM students out there is that embrace the challenges and learn from them. The subjects you're studying now will give you the tools you need for the future. Don't be afraid to step out from your comfort zone, because these experiences will not only enhance your academic growth, but also help you in your career. I hope to see you practice the profession, and thank you and goodbye.